Hi there, my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today an exciting recipe, simple, very nutritious, wonderful for your body. A sweet one, but not with loads of sugar, no sir, because we don't need that. I'm going to teach you how to make a raw red berries jam, which is delicious and multifunctional. You can use it for many recipes. Let me show you how I put it together. So first we're going to take frozen berries, add them to a bowl, and then pop them in a microwave for 1 minute or allow them to thaw out. Now that they are soft, you add agave or maple syrup or any other sweetener of your choice. It can also be erythritol if you want, or nothing. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of applesauce, and smash it with a fork or a potato masher. Now we're going to mix it all together, mix to combine. But whatever you do, resist the temptation to blend it, okay? Because if you blend it, it's going to turn into a smoothie. We don't want that. And as for now, it will have these liquidy textures because the chia seeds, they haven't absorbed yet the liquid and they haven't puffed up yet. It will happen. And now we're going to pop it in the fridge, and they should be in the fridge for at least 8 hours, but ideally overnight. So you make it the day before, the next morning you have this amazing fruit jam. Is ideal if you don't want sugar or you're trying to diminish the amount of sugar in your food, okay? Because this has sugar, but it's a complex and a nutritious type of sugar. It's not that refined sugar that we don't need that. Thank God I don't have a sweet tooth, but if I did, I would be addicted. I already am, so what am I talking about? So, guys, this is so delicious. I have been having this. It's a little bit tart. My doggy, she's also eating. So if you hear a noise of a plate on the floor, that's her, okay? We're eating together. And now she's drinking water. She always does that when I'm filming. So, this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I love this recipe. But again, I am a suspect. It's suspicious of me to say that because I love all the recipes I bring to you guys. Otherwise, no matter what type of recipe, if it's trending, I don't care. If I don't like it, if I don't approve it, if it's not wonderful, I will never show it to you because to you guys, always the best, right? So like this video, share. What else? What else you should do? Subscribe to my channel, and if you already subscribed, double check, okay? Because YouTube is being acting funny lately. I don't know, so double check so you get notified every time I make a video. If you make it, let me know, and let me know how amazing you think it is as well, okay? So this is it for today. See you next time and have a wonderful week. Bye bye.